If you're planning to start a blog, launch a business website, or secure a domain name this month, don't buy anything just yet. Because right now, Namecheap is running multiple promotions on domains, hosting, SSL certificates, business email, and even WordPress hosting. And depending on what you're buying, the savings can be surprisingly large. So in this video, I'll show you which Namecheap deals are actually worth considering and how to claim them. When most people think about starting a website, the first thing they need is a domain name. That's where Namecheap has built its reputation. They've become one of the most popular domain registrars because they offer competitive pricing, free domain privacy, simple management tools, and affordable hosting options under one account. So whether you're starting your first website or adding another project to your portfolio, Namecheap is often one of the first places people check. Now let's talk about the Namecheap offers now. The biggest promotion currently available includes domain discounts of up to 99% on selected extensions. There are also discounts on shared hosting, business email, SSL certificates, VPS hosting, and managed WordPress hosting. If you're building a brand new website, the hosting and domain bundle offer is probably the most attractive because it combines multiple products into one purchase. For domain buyers, there are also special discounts available on extensions like .com, .blog, .club, .org, and .in. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Open the Namecheap offer page using the link in the description. Step 2. Browse the available deals and decide whether you need a domain, hosting plan, business email, SSL certificate, or a combination of services. Step 3. Select your preferred product and continue to the pricing page. Step 4. Review the available promotion and make sure the discounted pricing is reflected before proceeding. Step 5. Complete your order and activate your purchase. The entire process usually takes just a few minutes. If you're launching a new website, I'd focus on the hosting and domain bundle. If you already have hosting and only need a domain, check the domain-specific deals. And if security is your priority, consider the SSL and business email promotions as well. The best deal really depends on what you're planning to build. Before buying any domain or hosting plan this month, check the latest Namecheap offers in the description below. Some promotions are only available for a limited time. And if you enjoy blogging tutorials, hosting deals, and SEO tips, make sure to subscribe to BloggersPassion YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.